All right, today we're going to bring a treadmill for your cat. Now, all the pieces are included in here. They come in a small box. It's a little heavy box because it's all wood, very secure. Now, one thing that I like about this is that they give you the actual Phillips with all the screws, instructions, carpeting, even a training toy for your cat, because you are going to have to train your cat to get on the treadmill. Not every cat knows how to get on this thing. They give you that little trainer, which is a must. Now, my recommendation, also get a laser. It also works the same thing. So here's a carpet. It could be replaced. They give you adhesives, Velcro, all the screws, everything out of the box. No tools necessary because the tools are included. So we're going to put it together. After mostly an hour setting it up, we're here for the last finished part. We're going to set it up on it. We're going to follow the last instructions, and then we're going to start putting the actual top. So this alone, it's time consuming. That's all it is, but it's very simple to put together. It's just like a puzzle piece. That's pretty much it. Just to let you guys know, I put this backwards to make sure that this side's facing up. All right, and now all you got to do is put the wheel in, and that's it. Now we are going to put the Velcro in the last part, which is the actual carpeting, but we also going to put the brakes too. There's a little brake section that we hadn't installed it. I'm going to put the Velcro, and the easiest way I found is like just let it slide. I mean, like, right there, perfect all around. Check it. Now we're gonna do the other end. We got the Velcro on both sides. We're gonna start with the carpet, and the carpet is very simple. It has Velcro here, and just line it up. So we're gonna start one end first. All right, be careful on this because you could pick up the carpet, and in case it comes off, you can always nail it in, or maybe use a different kind of adhesive. All right, so that's an option. That's it. That's all she wrote. All right. So we got the training wheel ready, and when you're gonna train your cat, this is pretty much what you do. You can train them going this way, and little by little, he or she's gonna understand how to play with this. All right. So this thing, you could even add grease to it to make it a little bit more slippier. It has a handle here, right here, so we can always pick it up from here. Take the wheel off, take the carpet. You can rewash it, but to train them, it will be simple like this. And this is how the whole thing is supposed to look like. This thing's a little bit big. It's about probably like around 3.5, 3 feet. I'll say long, 3 feet tall, right? And you're gonna need a lot of clearance. Just make sure, don't do the same mistake I did. My mistake was set these up upside down, where this is where the brakes are gonna go. We're gonna set that up. The rest of it was very simple. It's just tedious. It just takes a bit, but overall, it looks beautiful. It was simple. It was a puzzle piece. Just putting it together. Anyone can do it as long as you have the instructions. The tools are included. Make sure you add your own scissors to cut out the ribbon at the end. Right? That's the only thing you're going to need your external tools. But overall, very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm confused.